Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 24 and the problem is construct the binary search tree from the pre-order traversal. So we have to return the root node of binary search tree that matches the given pre-order traversal. So input is the pre-order traversal of binary search tree and we have to construct that binary search tree. So as you know, the binary search tree, each node of the left subtree is less than or equal to the root value, and each node's value of the right subtree is greater than or equal to the root value. So for us this given, let me draw some pictures for the given input tree. So I have here, so we will start. So the pre-order traversal is first be processed based on first root node, and then left subtree, left sub, and then after that right. So this is the basic in pre-order traversal. So for starting, this 8 is our the root node given the first index element which is at I0. Index 0 element is our starting point, and then after that all the values which are less than the current root are belongs to the left subtree. So the values this still here, this is a left subtree part left, and the remaining value which are greater than the 8 are these are the value which is a right subtree part. Similarly we will do this same recursively in every left trees which is left subtree and right subtree. So we will solve this problem recursively. So let's start the implementation. So implementation, we have to start. First I will write one recursive method which will public return tree node which is our root node we have to return for that, and that is a helper method, and input we will get int array which is pre-order itself, and int start index and int end index. So if start cross, so once start cross the end, that means we process all the array. In that case we have just has to return null, otherwise we will create a node which is tree node of root is equals to new tree node with the pre-order of index start. So always the starting point is our root node of that tree. After that we will check the index where the elements of the pre-order array belongs to the left subtree, and where the elements of the array belongs to the right subtree. So here let's find out the index which will be for index is equals to start from the start, and it will go index less than or equal to end index plus plus. If pre-order of index greater than, if pre-order of index greater than pre-order of left start, which means we found the point where the left subtree and right subtree division is happening, then we will just simply break that loop. And after that, as we already created the root node of this call, then we will just append root dot left, call again the helper method with same pre-order array, and this time the start will increment by 1, and the end of this left subtree, so left subtree will be end at index -1, and the right subtree is root dot righ, root is equal to helper pre-order it start from the index comma end. After that in the end we have to return our root node. So this is the recursive solution, and now we have to call our helper method from our main method, return helper pre-order comma 0. So starting index is 0 and the pre-order dot length -1, and index is the at the end. So let's try to run our solution on the test case given. So whether it is compiling, let's check the diff. There is no diff. So let's try some custom test case. So let's say we have only one node, basically root node in our tree. Another, let's say we have 8 5 and 10, 8 5 and 10, which is two, which basically three nodes, one is left and right. So, and let's try only the root has, so we have only 8 and then we have only 1. So let's try to run our custom test cases whether it is passing or not. So let's see the diff. So our custom test case is also passing. Let's try to submit our solution. So this is accepted. So this is the very simplest and concise solution for this problem. Let's calculate the time complexity. So the for time complexity, we are just iterating each values in the pre-order traversal of this binary search tree. So the time complexity is O of n, where n is the length of the pre-order traversal, and the space complexity we are just using constant and other than the call stack. So this is, thank you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the future upcoming videos.